The Healthapp was introduced by Apple back in 2014. A lot has changed since its introduction, and the app offers far more insight into your health, and it's easy to use. In this video, I'll walk you through what you need to get started. Hey everyone, Ellen from Ellen's Tips for iOS. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss when a new video is posted. Let's get started. Anyone who has an iPhone can take advantage of the Healthapp. It can track your steps, speed, distance, even how much time you spend in bed. However, if you want to get the most out of the Healthapp, you might want to consider purchasing the Apple Watch, as it adds functionality like heart rate and ECG. Plus, it's very accurate. The Healthapp also integrates with third-party apps like Nike Run Club, MyFitnessPal, Weight Watchers, and many others. Let's get started by setting it up. The Healthapp uses your personal information to calculate calories burned and more. After setting up your initial profile, you'll review your health checklist and enable various other health features. So we'll start by opening up the Healthapp, which is the white icon with the little heart. And at the very top, you should see your profile picture. And if you don't have a profile picture, it may just be something that's gray and looks like a person. Go ahead and tap on that to open. And then you're going to choose Health Details. If you already have your health details listed there, that's great. If not, add your information. If you want to change information, you'll tap on Edit. You'll choose what information you need to change, and when you're finished, you'll tap on Done. Now we're going to go ahead and tap on Profile in the upper left corner to get back to the main area of the Healthapp. Select Medical ID and make sure that you have filled in the information here. If you need to, you can tap on Edit, go back, scroll through the information to see what you might want to add, or maybe there's things that you want to change. You'll also have the option to add emergency contacts, and if you do that, you might want to toggle on the switch that says Show when locked and Share during emergency call, because if you were to make a 911 call, this information will be shared with your emergency contacts, and as well as the emergency medical workers will have access to your medical conditions on the lock screen of your phone. When you're finished, you'll tap on Done. You'll tap on Profile to get back to the main area. And then under the Features section, go through each of these sections and see which one of these you might want to set up. So like if you go under the health checklist, you'll have the option to add hand washing, medical ID, emergency. Go through these and see what you want to add in this particular section. I'm going to tap on Profile and come back. Take a look at your health records, your notifications, and if you want to become an organ donor, tap on organ donation and walk through that process. We'll go ahead and tap on Done. Summary tab is the first page you're presented with when you open the Healthapp. It brings all of your data from various apps where they're easily viewable. The Summary tab shows you the data you've designated as the favorite, be it from your activity, heart rate, sleep, or blood oxygen. To set this up, you'll tap on Edit, scroll through, and start any of the activities or body measurements that you feel you need to see on the Summary tab. So I'm going to go ahead and start Activity. And like I said, just scroll through and see what you want to add, what's most important to you. If you don't see something in this area, go ahead and tap on All and see if, there are other areas that you'd like to add to that main page. Now I've started Activity, and when I tap on Done, you'll see that Activity has been added to the Summary page. If I want to remove that, I'll tap on Edit again and come back in and unstar that. I'll tap on Done, and you'll see that that has been removed. So you want to add the data that's most important for your health. Once you've added the data to the summary tab, you can take a deep dive into each category to see where you stand. For example, if I scroll down and I open walking steadiness, you'll see that I can take a look at my walking steadiness for a month, for 6 months, or even a year. And below that, you'll find a little bit about what the walking steadiness app or category checks. And if you scroll down further, you'll see that Apple gives you exercises that improve walking steadiness, understanding walking steadiness, and then even apps that measure your walking steadiness. So go ahead and take a look at these. And again, it gives you a deep dive into each category if you select it. Now let's take a look at the Sharing tab. The Sharing tab lets you share your health data with someone else, a trusted friend, a family member, maybe your doctor. And to do that, what you'll want to do is, I'm going to scroll up just a little bit so that you can see. I can choose to tap on Share Someone or Share with Doctor. If I tap on Share with Doctor and I tap on Next, these are the systems, the health systems that allow you to share information with your doctor. If your health system isn't listed there, then you're unable to share it via the health system. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Cancel, but say I want to share my health data with a friend or one of my siblings. I can go ahead and tap on Share with Someone. Maybe you have you want to share it with your children. Go ahead and you'll start by typing in the name of the person that you want to share it with. And when I do, that person's name should turn blue if they have an iPhone. If the person doesn't have an iPhone, their name is going to be grayed out and I will be unable to share that with them. So I'm going to go ahead and select the name. And now you'll have some options. You can either set it up manually or you can see suggested topics. I would suggest use the suggested topics. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And there are several pages here that you can go through and choose what you want. So you can either choose to turn all of them on or select the ones you want. So here I'm just going to go ahead and select high heart rate, irregular rhythm, and low heart rate. Scroll down and I'm going to tap on Next. Here's activity and mobility. I'm going to just choose walking steadiness. I'll tap Next. Here I'll choose my resting heart rate and tap Next. And then because I have an Apple Watch, it shows my blood oxygen level. I'll tap on that and I'm going to tap on Next. And so now I've come to the end of the suggested options. I can preview them or I can scroll down and tap on Share. When I tap on Share, a message is going to be sent to that individual where they will have the option to either accept it or deny it. I'm going to go ahead and tap on Cancel for right now. But that's how you set up the Share option. The Browse tab gives you an overall view of your health. Categories include activity, heart, mobility, nutrition, and many more. You can scroll through to see all of the information that you have access to. For example, if I choose activity and then I select the activity category at the top, I can now see my daily, weekly, monthly, 6-month, or even a year, how my activity looks. So basically, you're seeing a comprehensive look at your activity level from daily all the way up to a year. The Healthapp is a hub, so the first thing you need to do is tell it where you want it to get the data. It can be a little intimidating and there's a good chance you aren't using the iPhone's Healthapp. But if you give it a chance, it's a powerful tool and it's pretty easy to use. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.